Kaspa breakout, man. The Kaspa Kahuna days are back, man. We broke the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders, the reversal pattern. We just broke out. Guys, crack the like, cook the like. Let's dive into the video. Give us some love, give us some comments, give us some questions. Cook the like, share it on your Twitter. Kaspa is pumping. Brr, brr, brr. Jomo, what's up?
Man, I'm just a happy camper, you know. We help people to understand how to trade this, cents to 8 cents, when to add, how to invalidate it. I'm just happy we could give value to people. And of course, I'm happy we're making money on a big position on Kaspa and that it's moving while everything else is kind of in the red.
Yes.
That's finally giving me a sense of what we were waiting for in Kaspa, where we were always, people asked us, why do we love Kaspa? Why do we trade it so much? And the reason is because we know the ferociousness of the buyers of Kaspa once they step in. Once they step in, they can put that gas pedal down and the buying spreads continues. Now, that's what we believe on Kaspa. That's what's happening on Kaspa. I'm just happy, CM. What about yourself? Isn't that a good thing? We help people.
Oh, yeah, man. This is the moment now, just like you said. Now it's a choppy consolidation day. Some altcoins ripping, 1 or 2 free names on my watch list, and I have a huge one. And Kaspa is now making a slow, beautiful climb up, a climb up above the 1-1. I'm going to show you now. Let's show them the chart. Show them the chart, man. I'll show you, man. This is a breakout. Where's the breakout? Where's the breakout? 1 second, guys. Show you a clean chart. Guys, cook the like. Do us a favor. Cook the like. We're going to show you today something lovely. Look, that's the... Let's show everybody. Okay, so first of all, we had the previous breakout of the downtrend. Boom. That's your first check mark. Amazing. Now we have this breakout. That's beautiful. Okay, we just now breaking out. You had this little beautiful pennant or whatever, higher low. You can call it higher low on the daily. Higher low on the daily. That was the double bottom. Boom, boom, boom. We broke the neckline. Kaspa stair stepping up. Boom shakalaka. Prepare yourself and look already. Look. If you look on the 1 hourly, all right. Look at the candle. Okay, that shows you. Again, we don't want to jinx it. Knock, 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 knock on wood. But that shows you that there is not a lot of sellers on this level. Once it's taking this level, the neckline, you can see it's starting to gap up. Okay, this is the point of least resistance. Okay, once you clear that, you can run. It can run now. It can run today to the 1-3, man. Easy peasy, man. There is no reason for it not to run to the 1-3 and definitely not to the 1-6 next week, man. I can see Kaspa going to next week to 1-1-6. And yeah, click the bell, subscribe to the channel, drop some love, drop some likes, drop some tweet love, tweet it. And let's see, what else do we have here, Jomo?
And yeah, give us some questions, guys. Right now, it's your time to ask us questions about Kaspa, about everything, about trading, about investing. Ask us questions now. The better the questions, the better our answers gonna be. CM, I agree with you on everything. That was a very good short analysis of what we have been saying and doing. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What do we have so far?
Bro, we have what is the target? Look, Mr. Target. Mr. Hussein, salam alaikum, Hussein. Look, man, first of all, your target can be different than my target. You know what I mean? We are different people. We are different greedy animals. You can be a greedy beast looking for 20x that will never come. You know what I mean? And you can listen to Crypto Galaxy waiting for $7 that will never come, man. You need to be realistic. We traded by the breakout. It broke from the 8 cent, ran all the way to the 1-1, whatever. We cash out, took profit. Brr, brr, brr. Now it set up again, broke out. We have targets all the way up, man. 6. Man, this is, for me, crypto is life. We make a living from crypto, man. We're not cling on targets and bulks, okay? Kaspa breaking out, we go in balls deep. You know what my position size is? It's outrageous. You know what I mean? So for me, any 10% move up from here, it's amazing profit. It can be a month profit, a monthly or yearly profit, man. For me, a good Kaspa trade, Jomo. Tell them. Every Kaspa trade we take is usually providing us with food and vacations for our family for months, man.
For sure. Kaspa is, and I said it multiple times, Kaspa is the best tradable asset on crypto. Okay. The best tradable asset, because for some reason, the buyers and the sellers, they act so sensible, everything makes sense. You know when to sell, you know when to buy, you know when to go big, you know when to cut losses, everything. It's the easiest chart ever, and that's why we have been trading it since March 2023. We have been trading it all the way to the long side, then short, now long again and again. So as CM said, we have shorter term targets than you, but we always add back in, we add big position sizes. Fun Guy, CM, he's coming nighttime as well. Fun Guy is always online.
Let's show Fun Guy. Look, first of all, Fun Guy, I'm going to show you Turbo and H-Bar, but man, oh boy, when Kaspa breaking out, a lot of my capital is going into Kaspa. I'm pretty much all in from my gains on the other trades on Kaspa. I throw all my gains on Kaspa now, and I have stops and I have targets. Now, let's look on Turbo. Turbo is a little, is wedging, okay? It's wedging. It's not good. I actually I tried to enter twice on these fake outs, and I took a little losses, and I'm not buying it again. It's wedging here.
Yeah.
It looks like rubbish. It looks like absolute rubbish. Fun guy, if you're watching Turbo and you're drooling and you want to enter, big mistake, my friend. Join our community. Join our VIP, man, because we need to talk. This is a wedging pattern. It says it's exhausting. Again, obviously it can rip, but you don't want to, there is no edge. No edge, man. Rubbish bollocks. The Kaspa now have a lot of edge. You have a proper breakout from a base. That's where you want to put your money. Let's look on H-Bar. Okay, H-Bar. Rubbish. H-Bar is rubbish. Okay, you had a breakout here, and now it's retesting again. H-Bar is like XRP. It's like all the other big movers of November, okay? The big movers of November are not pumping now, and it makes sense, and it was obvious that they will not pump now because they pumped mega hard in November while others didn't pump. So you want to ride the coins that are pumping, and these are not the coins that are pumping, man. Leave them, let them cook, then buy them, okay? At the moment, you don't want to let them form uptrend, let them look explosive, and then buy them. Or, man, don't think, join the community. We do the filtering for you, man. You get the trade alert, bam, 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 motherfucker. All right, let's go. What do we have here?
Mr. Gift is asking about without an exchange listing.
Jomo, let's solve this exchange listing once and for all, man. And we've been talking about this garbage dog shit poop for so long. Man, all the Kaspa army, stop with the exchange listing and all the meme coins traded. What are you talking about exchange listing? It's all garbage nonsense. Kaspa is on Binance Future since 2023 November. It's on all major exchanges. Everybody in the fucking world can buy Kaspa at any moment. Stop with this nonsense. Kaspa will moon with your exchange or without it. It doesn't matter. Stop with this nonsense, man. Who's this guy, man? Man, it's the last time you talk about exchange listing here, okay? This is a professional traders channel. We're not a stupid moon boys from the toilet that looking for exchange listing. Man, exchange listings are bearish for price action. Every time there is exchange listing, there is 90% of the time mega crash. Go watch all exchange listing of Turbo.
Mainly the big ones, CM, like Coinbase, like Binance. Those exchange listing aren't good.
These people that talk about exchange listing, man, I think they have half the normal human brain. Me and you, we have a full-size human brain. These creatures have only half. So, man, we cannot help you, man. We cannot help you, man. Really.
Hey, I have half a brain. I'm with you, Griff Bright. All good. Don't worry about it, man. Ask any questions you like, exchange, whatever they want to ask, they can ask, CM.
All right. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I just had it, I'm fed up from all this exchange listing debacle. I'm fed up. So I have to stop, I developed hate for these moon boys. You know, I'm hating on them. You know,
No,
it's
you do
more
you, CM. It's all good. We love you.
it's more than you know, disgust. It's like hate now. Okay. Anyway, Kaspa is the next Bitcoin. Yes, Roger, we know you have a huge tattoo on your forehead, but that's okay, man. We are just gonna trade it and make money. You keep holding it to 100, and how much is Bitcoin now? 110. Keep holding it to 110, man. Good luck. Let's go. I have a 60x long. That's a horrible mistake. You can make money, but if you use this kind of leverage, you are on your way to wrecked city, my friend. Happened to everybody that's been using leverage. You are not
Yes,
special. Maybe you're gonna get some love now, but once the market reverses, all your money is out in the vapor, you know.
Yeah. Leverage is not needed in crypto, CM. Leverage is not needed.
60x. 60x.
Hey, crypto is leverage all by itself. People don't understand the power of crypto. Crypto is a leveraged asset class already. You don't need to add to it any more leverage. No professional trader, right, will do anything as, reckless as taking a 60% leverage, but he's getting lucky for now. So good luck for you, Mr. Lock Vixta. Enjoy it.
Mr. Fairy Tale. I cannot see Fitzel.
No, Fitzy, Mr. Fitzy.
Thank you, man. Welcome aboard. Look, Crypto Galaxy. I like Crypto Galaxy. He's an entertainer. I like his show. He's funny as fuck. And also his coins are nice. Add them to your watchlist, but do not listen to his nonsense. You know, there is a difference between listen to the guy's nonsense and using his coins on radar for when looking for entries on the proper time. Get me?
You know what people should do, CM? They should join our membership or come to our Master the Bull seminar to understand how to enter precisely into low risk, high asymmetric reward entries. So then, for example, they see an idea from someone like Crypto Galaxy, they can take it back home, do their own analysis, okay, and then decide when to get in and when to get out instead of just, aping in when somebody says something about a coin online. And that's what they should do, man. They should join the Master the Bull seminar. It's next week, 19th of May. We made this for our people, for our audience. We made a seminar, only 3 hours, but to get all the juice, all the important things people need in order to make money in a bull trend, in a bullish trending market. We're going to teach you just 3 hours, all the basics, how to trade the breakouts, how to take profits this time. Don't roller coaster back all your profits, just like happened right now. People roller coasted everything just back. They had huge emotional issues. People got heart attacks because they made a 10x and gave everything back down. We're going to teach you to take profits. Easy peasy. Come scan the QR code right now, in the middle. Just scan it right now. Dirt cheap. Use the 20% discount. It's dirt cheap. We want to teach you our secrets. Come enjoy. And of course, CM is going to share his secret list of coin to watch during this bull trend. CM's lists usually are amazing, so you better come scan the QR code. What else do we have, CM?
Mr. Jumpman, look, man, we were in a bear and we called for the end of the bear and for the reversal. Wake up, stop being a troll, man. We don't have time for this nonsense, okay?
No,
bro?
These people, man, would they have balls to come and say this, man?
This
We
guy's
called
good.
the top at 18 cents, CM, and we
this
called
guy,
the bottom at 8.
Yeah, I know. It's just trying to pull our hair, He's a nice guy. Don't worry. All right, let's look on. Look, Mr. MRX, Thai AI. Let's look on Thai AI. Look, man, Thai AI is a scam. Okay, I will tell you why. They addressed me and they told me to promote them. There are a bunch of Chinese dude that lives in the streets. Okay, there are a bunch of Chinese developers lives on it. You can live on the street. Man, it is an unpredictable beast scam. Okay, for me. And yeah, I'm not touching this nonsense. Okay, I have others, man. It's rubbish for me. Me and Jomo, we're looking for alpha. We're looking for strength. This is not even on our watch list. Okay, you have 2,000 coins now that you can trade, and you can filter 1,800 of coins of them into the toilet. They're not in the same level as the other 200. Okay, you gotta be, selective. It's just like the guy that that draft the NBA players, same idea. You're not gonna take the moron that cannot dribble or cannot dunk or is not athletic from the college. You're gonna tell him, go F yourself, right? Same idea with crypto. Don't take the moron, don't take the losers, only winners. This is a scam. Thai AI, for me, is a scam, is a rubbish. Rubbish.
Guys, CM is on fire today, man. Your analogies, I love them. You need to cook the like button for CM.
the
Ladies
like.
and gentlemen, give us some love because
Cook
CM
the
is on
fucking like,
fire.
mate. Cook
CM,
the
you're
fucking
on
like.
fire. Cook the fucking like. Smash it. And, ask questions. That's what we're here for.
Okay, but do you have some Kaspa to hold? Man, we trade it. Now, let's say this breakout will moon hard, okay? We're gonna have a runner. We're gonna leave a runner. We leave in runners on Kaspa, especially on Kaspa, we're gonna leave a big runner. But again, you call it a hold. For me, it's a swing trade as long as it's bullish and in the green and explosive. If, for example, it's gonna pull back into the neckline, I'm out, man. I'm not gonna hold it. All right. Again, after it ran, let's say it ran to 1.6 and then it pulled back to the neckline, I'm gonna be stopped out way higher, because we minimize risk and we work with crypto. Crypto for us is assets, okay? It's real estate, it's vacation, it's food on the table, okay? We're different, man, okay? We make money from crypto consistently. That's what we do, man.
And CM, look, this question is so open. People, you need to ask yourself better questions. The better the question you ask yourself, the better answers you're going to get. What do you mean by Kaspa to hold? Hold how long? Hold for a month? Hold for a year? Hold for eternity? What do you mean Kaspa to hold, all right? This channel is about trading crypto to make a better lifestyle. We're not about holding something forever and forever that will beat Bitcoin or win the US dollars. No, we're accumulating more US dollars to have a beautiful lifestyle. As CM said, food on the table, vacations for the family, for the wife, for the kid, beautiful, beautiful lifestyle. So for us, we're going to take profits, we're going to trail the stop, and once it loses momentum, out.
And bro, Mr.
Thunder.
Mr.
CM is losing his vision, ladies.
Nah, man, I don't see nothing. I see everything in the red. Sir, again, like Joe said, and again, remember, we are on the camp. This is the final bull run. So don't expect me to hold into the biggest crypto crash you've seen since 2018. That's what I think. I think you're going to see a massive collapse in crypto after Bitcoin will peak. Okay, so I'm not going to hold Kaspa, because Kaspa will go into wrecked city when Bitcoin will dump. Okay, sir. So for me, everything is short term now for the next couple of months window of opportunity. Subscribe to this channel because that's what we preach. We told you, Bitcoin broke, made a double bottom. We have the window of opportunity to trade in altcoins. If you follow the channel, subscribe and click the bell, you will not even ask this question because you will know what I will answer from the get-go. Get me? All right. What should Kaspa hold? Consolidation for further move above. What range? Yeah, the range that we broke out. We don't want to break down below the 11 cent. 11 cent, 10 cents, we cannot break below. If it break below, it close below the 11, 10 cent. Not good. Not good. Not favorable. Okay.
Not favorable. Let's say today's low should be respected for sure. That's what I would say.
Kaspa is flying. Guys, cook the like, subscribe to the channel, drop some coins, drop some charts, drop some love, drop some questions about trading. Show that you have some brains, something, with juice. Come on, man. You can do it, guys. You can do it. Give us some love, man. Give us some interest, man.
CM, I love this time of the day where I think you are stimulated at this time.
Bro,
in the mornings, you're not stimulated.
I tell you what happened to me.
What happened?
I had 2 beers on the beach, in Barcelona.
Yeah.
And I got soaked with vitamin D, natural vitamin D, and it cooked me. It literally cooked. The sun cooked me, and I'm cooked. And when I came back, man, Jomo, on the moment, Kaspa broke the 113. I came back, man. I opened my house. I opened my laptop, my stupid laptop. And I see Kaspa breaking up. Boom, boom, boom. Bought more of this shit, man. And yeah, man, I'm hyped. You know I'm hyped. When Kaspa breaking out, I'm hyped.
I love it.
Bro, Kaspa is the best trade for us, guys, in this cycle. This horrible cycle that we are in is the worst cycle since 2017, since me and Jomo trading crypto. It's the worst cycle. Now, Kaspa made this cycle extremely profitable for us because it's an amazing coin, man. And people are hating on Kaspa. People are hating on us that we called it. Oh, that is going on a bear. Yeah, it was on a bear, man. It dropped 80%. If you're not calling 80% drop a bear, you need to go quit crypto.
To a doctor. To the doctor.
Go to the
Call
bear
the police. Call.
You need to go to a bear hospital, to hospital of bears that will. Now, man, so where was I? Sorry, let's continue. Guys, do you trade with leverage, Kaspa? No, sir, we don't use leverage. Guys, open yourself a B2Nix account, link below, amazing exchange. You can trade with no VPN, no KYC from the US, from Canada, Australia, whatever. Amazing exchange. You can trade Kaspa. We don't use leverage, sir. I took profit house money to Mew.
Sometimes the questions are I don't understand.
Jomo, your cousin from Argentina. Hola, tío.
Los amo, saludos por Argentina. Aguante, Kaspa. Dale, vamos, Kaspa. Papacito, vamos.
Dale. Parisha. Yesterday I had some Parisha Argentina, man.
You had some Parisha Argentina. ¿Qué tenías? ¿Qué Parisha de qué? De lomo, costillas.
Costilla con jabeta.
That's good.
Hello, CM Jomo, 570K Kaspa. Let's go. Boom. To the moon. A new tattoo. 570K Kas. Here. It's cool tattoo, man. I would tattoo it, man, if I had time. Hey, Rocky. Go big dog Kas. Follow these guys. Amazing, man. Cheers, mate. Rocky.
Cheers,
much
Rocky,
love to
cheers.
you. Much love to you, Rocky. What's up, guys? Do you think Kaspa will hit 20 cents this end of this month? Well,
wait, CM. Hey, CM, please go and take the crystal ball behind you. Go take the crystal ball, CM. We need it.
It's written here.
Oh, you broke it.
It's written here. 1 second. Page 100.
Page 100? 120. What does it say, CM?
It says, Kaspa crypto coin will hit 19 cent 0.5 by May 28th, 2025.
Let's go.
5 EST US time or 1 p.m. Canada, whatever. Bro, come on.
Let's go. Abdul. Let's go, Abdul.
Abdul, man, this Abdul, man. Salam alaikum, sir. Hopefully you're gonna get rich. I join you guys. Join, man. Join. What? Don't wait. Every day you wait, breakouts happen and money printing happening, man. Our accounts are mooning. Brr. Kaspa to the moon. I just bought 380 Kaspa. I did good. Well, based on this video, you can ask yourself, man. You can answer yourself. How do you know?
For sure. Hey, this kind of question, man, CM, these people, they need to come to the Master the Bull for sure. The Master the Bull seminar for next week, 19th of May, right? It's going to be recorded for sure, so you can watch it on live, come for questions or watch it forever on the WAP. Scan the QR code, go check it out. We're going to teach you for just 3 hours. 3 hours of your time, and you're going to get all the alpha about how to smash this bull trend, right? All the secrets, how to trade breakouts, how to take profits, stop round tripping your profits. CM, please tell them to stop round tripping profits. All the members always come and always say the same thing. I bought Kaspa at 3 cents and then I sold at 6. What should I do after it went all the way to 20? Look, you need to know how to take profits. We're going to teach you. Scan the QR code, come to the seminar. We're going to teach you all the juice. CM and me are going to give everything to you. We made this seminar for you guys, and it's limited availability. So take and reserve a spot right now. You have 20% off. Use it. Use the 20% off, right? It's free money for you. Take advantage of it now. It's next week. You need to do it for yourself. It's peanuts, guys. I mean, it's peanuts. You put money in the market, if you were with us in the membership, even right now, if just now with this Kaspa trade, by the way, CM, we gave this for free for people. The Kaspa trade, cents, 8 cents, we have been giving it free of charge for people on YouTube. But if people were with us, with our signals, they would make all the money that they invested in this, which is peanuts, and multiply it by 10 or 20 by now. So this is for you guys. You want to make money, you should join the membership or at least come to the seminar, right? CM, what are you showing?
This is the virtual trade from the community. Join the community, man. Look at this. We bought a breakout of 85. I'll show you the virtual chart, man. This is outrageous gains. It's probably going higher. Still have a runner. That was our breakout here, 85. Bam, 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 bam. Now, our members are still holding a runner. Amazing profit, 160% max gain. Now, look, for example, me, myself, I throw here, like 10K, I made like 10K in total on this trade, maybe a little bit more. Now, all these profits, okay, from virtuals are just now flipped to Kaspa breakout here on the one free, okay? And also I bought a little bit before. So we are rotating profits from winners to winners, man, and that's what we want to teach you. We want to teach you how to be a winner. Be a winner. Treat crypto professionally. It will change your fucking life, and you will stop asking yourself questions when it's gonna go to $7 or when it's gonna go to 40 billion market cap, because who give an F about this nonsense? Okay.
Yeah, for sure.
What about Cubic? Let's look on Cubic rubbish.
I haven't looked at Cubic for a while.
Cubic rubbish. It's probably bouncing. Let's look on it. And I would say it's a dog shit. It's a dog shit. It is a dog shit. Again, watch it. If it start taking that level, close above this level, start a bull run. Yeah, you can buy here, be a bottom fisher, but we're not care about this nonsense. We like the coins that rip. These have no edge. This is garbage to me. What else do we have here?
It looks like the volume is very low as well.
It's rubbish, man. It's rubbish. It's dog poop.
Dog poop.
We never know if Kaspa goes up or down, depend on the viability. What are you talking about? We never know. In this channel, we know exactly where Kaspa is going, when it's going, and how it's going. And we told you all of it, all from since 2023. We nailed the move up and we nailed the move down. This guy is living in a shell.
And now we're nailing the move up again. Look, we are honest people. We tell you when we make losses, we make mistakes. We're traders, all right? We live based on statistics. But Kaspa is, I would say Kaspa is the only coin ever we had between 70 to 80% success rate as a coin, all right? Most coins are between 30 or 40%, maybe 50%. Kaspa is just, much better. It talks to us in the charts. Now, are we mistake every now and then? For sure. But we've been showing, as CM said, go check all the videos, just the last ones. You don't need to go all the way back to 2023 if you don't want to.
10x in my opinion. Okie dokie. We like your opinion, but we're not trading based on it. CM, calm down. Woohoo. CM Goat. What do you think of Say? Will explode in near future. Let's look on the Say nonsense. Another loser. It was a winner. Look, again, coming back to the winner debacle. Look at Say USD. It was a very good
We traded it back in December 23. We traded that motherfucker.
That was the Say bull run, man. And since then, it is rubbish. Now, maybe I will be interested if it takes that trend line. Maybe, again, for me, again, I have others. The fact that it's not pumping now when Bitcoin is already testing its all-time high, it means it is, I will tell you exactly what it means. This is garbage, man. You can see this little skull is garbage. Okay.
Look, see, this had a tradable bottom at a 23 cents, right? We traded some tradable bottoms. This was one potential one people could have traded. If you traded it at a tradable bottom at 23 cents, good luck for you. This can go higher. This can trend. We believe we're entering the last stage of this bull market, right? We do believe that if Bitcoin breaks above 110, cook the like, everyone, overflow, cook it. We believe CM, and we said it multiple times, that right now, once Bitcoin crosses the 110, it's going to be the last leg of the bull market. That's why we're telling you that now is the time to enter the Master the Bull seminar. Don't wait, because this probably is going to be the last one. People always at the tops, whenever the euphoric phase come, they just believe that it's going to continue, CM. They always believe it's going to continue forever. Nothing, goes forever. Nothing. And usually the rug comes. CM, show us how the rug usually comes, because show us the rug. Can you show us the rug, please? Shit, and there the rug goes when everyone seems euphoric. Okay,
we got the signal. We already have bearish divergence on Bitcoin on the macro picture. You might get another point of divergence, and that's for us traders, that trade for a living. We respect risk, and there is a risk that the Bitcoin bull run will come to an end in the next couple of months. Yeah. So do yourself a favor, join the community, the service, the trade alert service now, because man, every day, man, people making thousands from buying breakouts, and it's very simple. You just need to know how to buy the breakout. We teach that. You need to know which breakout to buy, and easy peasy, man. Let's continue with the questions. We have your question, guys. Cook the like, please.
Cook it.
Do you use head and shoulder pattern? Well, duh, man.
Yeah, for sure. It's a classic one.
Bro, we talking about head and shoulders all the time, man. Subscribe to this channel. We told you the Kaspa is doing a head and shoulders now, a double head with a nice little shoulders here. We told you. It's like,
yeah.
Cook the like, man. Cook the like, and click the bell. Cook the bell as well, Mr.
Packode TV.
Mr. TV, cook the like. What's the reason for this spam? Amazing question. We don't care. All we care is money. Money, buying breakouts in the right time, boom, putting big money on it, and in a couple of days, doubling or 50%ing the position. That's all we need, man. Who cares about why? Who cares about Jonathan Pavlovsky or Vitalik, banging some Asian lady boy? No one cares. We care about money, only money. Your focus, mister, is on the wrong thing. You focus on the wrong thing. Focus on how you make money, not finding reason. You're not in a cult. You're not gonna be a Christian now or Christian. You're not discover that you're a virgin. I don't know, man. Come on, man.
No, but this is what happens when new people come to investing. They need the reasons, because the mind is hooked about CM. The mind is hooked about what happened. That's even my father always asked me, why is Bitcoin pumping? Look, I'm gonna share a tip. It doesn't matter why something is happening. What matters is that you can see it on the chart, on the price action. That's why me and CM, we trade based on the charts. We trade based on the price action, because you see in the price action what is happening without the need to know why. And that's the beauty of technical analysis, charting, and price action, trading. That's why we do it. What do we have here, Mr. CMCV? What is saying, SV?
Thank you very much. Thank you guys for the trade alerts. We all want to join your VIP. Yeah, join. It's like $100, for a month. What is it? $100 for a month? Are you kidding me?
Join the seminar.
Join the webinar. Spoil yourself. Invest in yourself, for God's sake. Do you buy toothbrush? Do you buy food? It's the same. If you trade crypto and you don't have education, it's like homeless without food in his mouth, man or ma'am, whatever. treat yourself with some education, because the next rug pull is coming and you're gonna get rugged again, just like you got rugged in the first quarter. Why? Because you don't know how to trade. You don't know how to take profits. You don't know how to identify tops. And we are maybe not gonna be there identifying the top for you, because we will be busy servicing our members and guiding them through the next crash. So, ma'am or man up and join the service. It's dirt cheap. Treat yourself. Don't be cheap. Don't be cheap on yourself. Learn something from my life. Every time I was cheap on myself, later I was regretting. I should have bought it. I should have treated myself. I should have. Treat yourself. Come on, treat yourself. We gave you a coupon. What about Turbo? We told you it's wedging, it's rubbish. You guys think we'll reach new all-time high this cycle on Kaspa? If Bitcoin breaks the 109, continue for another couple of weeks, couple of months, we have a good chance for Kaspa to break the 20 cents and go to the 40, 50, whatever, $1, whatever. $7? No way. No way. We're going to talk about the Galaxy prediction later this week because it's hilarious. What else we have here? Still love UCM, you, the Argentinian goat of crypto. Jomo is the Argentinian.
People think that both of us are CM. My name is Jomo though, so yo soy el argentino, papi, no el CM. CM el España
papi,
de Barcelona.
El papi from another mommy. Okay. Guys, please cook the like, subscribe to the channel, give us some love, give us some questions. We're going to answer them. If you have charts, proper trading questions, this is the best. This is what we love, but, we take any question. Thank you, bro. I'm holding CAS and also Turbo. Kaspa for a long term. It is 10 cents a reasonable price target for Turbo.
No.
Let's look together. Let's have a look. Let's have a look together, sir, and think reasonably. 10 cents Turbo. Now we are at where we are. This is the 10. The 10 cent is here. Oh, this guy is probably a subscriber of Galaxy.
Yeah, man. No, it's
that's for sure. That's for sure.
It's 100x CM or something like that. Maybe 200.
We're looking for reasonable. That's funny that he says is 10 cent reasonable price target. Ooh, another 15x. No, it's not 100x, man. It's 15x for my calculation here.
Oh, it's 0.005. For some reason, I thought it's 0.005. Cool.
No worries, man. 15x Turbo. Again, man, if Turbo is able to break to new all-time high, hold above the new all-time high on the weekly picture and run, and Bitcoin is cooperating, Bitcoin is trending higher while it's doing that, maybe you have a chance. But always look on the Bitcoin, because when remember, Bitcoin is the DJ. Once it's gonna stop the music, your Turbo garbage will collapse like a bunch of toilet paper that's been thrown after some big fat dude was using it in the toilet. So be careful, my friend. It's gonna be horrible. Watch the Bitcoin when you trade. Always, man. People
always
think
watch Bitcoin.
Jomo, they think their coins are actually have value. They think their coins, man, all coins are toilet rubbish. If the Bitcoin will not bring liquidity to this market, all the liquidity going through the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is the gateway. If there is no Bitcoin, your coin are garbage cooking. They're cooked. And look, and look what happened the last quarter. Bitcoin just correct 20%. How much? 25%. All these altcoins collapsed 90%, man. And people are still like, my coin can do it. My coin can do it alone. Blah, blah, blah. Bro,
vitamin D is good, CM. The vitamin D is good.
What else do we have here? The subscription is very expensive. How much should we already have saved in order for the course to be worth it? Expensive? Man, I buy 2 shirts in Zara and 1 pantalon. I'm on $100. I'm on 120 euro. What are you talking about? This course is gonna change your fucking life, will make you a professional trader. Professional trader today, like me and Jomo, making on a yearly basis, it doesn't matter if it's a bear or bull, a lot of money, man. Can be 100Ks, can be even 400Ks, can be even a million. Okay, depends on the size of the strength of the trend. You're talking about $100, man. If you cannot afford this, I cannot help you, man. You should treat yourself, man. Don't be cheap, man. Don't be cheap. You're cheap. You're too cheap, man. Expensive. You know what is expensive, sir? Expensive is being uneducated moron with 50K in the crypto market and getting wrecked the next couple of months, or already wrecked since
That's
January.
expensive. Yeah.
That's expensive. That's expensive, my friend. And I've been there. I got ragged in 2018. We're gonna teach you everything you need to know, man. Everything. $100. It's actually cheap as fuck for this webinar and for the membership. The membership and the webinar are cheap as fuck, man. If you don't buy it, you are a retard. A retard, man. Really, a retard. If you don't know how to use charts, stops, stop buy order, buy breakouts, if you don't know how to buy dip, take profits automatically, man, you're an amateur, you're a baby boy, and you're doomed to fail. You're doomed to fail because you trade against professional traders like me, Jomo, and like the traders of Binance and the trader of Kraken. Man, these people will take your money. The hodlers will get wrecked. You know what I mean? Hodlers always get wrecked. Okay, if you're not taking profits, eventually you're going to get wrecked. That's it. How much do you profit monthly from trading crypto? Well, it depends. Some months we have 10%, 20%. Some months we have a double. It varies. Some months we are down 10%, but the curve is very nice. Jomo, share with us. You are more mathematical about your profits, and you're more like the
statistical guy. I'm the statistical machine. No, I mean, look, this dude is asking like it's a salary that you get. If someone doesn't know how to trade, and as CM says, he's not a professional, he's going to lose his money over time. That's the problem, right? But once you become professional, what happens is you start thinking in probabilities and percentages. We usually double our account on average each year, okay? Last year was a bad year for me, and I made like 40% of my account. And that was a bad year for me, for example. CM, I don't know his numbers exactly, but last year I know was a rough year for most traders, okay? But we still made a lot of money, because that's how we do it. Each year, we take roughly a double out of the market. We pay expenses, we take vacations, we buy presents for the wife, we buy each other gifts, that's how we do. We treat life with, the happiness it should be taught. Hopefully that helps. Speaking percentages, Mr. Uno Dos.
Guys, cook the like, subscribe to the channel, click the bell, leave a question, drop a like. Love you guys. Okay, imagine if Kaspa will be the next generation of Bitcoin. We don't imagine this kind of nonsense.
No, let's imagine. That's it.
Okay, let's imagine. Put the Beatles song, man. Imagine, Put it. That vid with CG on Pepe was funny as fuck. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. We love CG, man. He's an amazing character, man. This guy, man. I would love to collab with him. If anyone knows CG, send him. Tell him CM want to collab. We want to collab with Crypto Galaxy. This guy is a diamond, man. He's a diamond, man. Bro, BTC is so sui Kaspa. Okie dokie, man. Okie dokie. Do you guys also use money inflow indicators? No, we don't. We just looking for breakouts.
Volume it's different than volume, but we use volume. Why? Because the money inflow indicator for ETH or for Bitcoin, doesn't mean anything if it doesn't create real buying volume on the breakouts. We just use volume and price action, Mr. Crypto Gusu.
Ooh. I dreamed Kaspa was going to zero, so I went all in. Wow. So I went all in on Kaspa, but none of my dreams came true.
Yeah, because it was a dream,
The-
all of it.
So the guy is like a masochist. He's like he loves to get wrecked. Like what's the story, man? Just donate your capital to poor people. You know, people with no arms, no legs, no eyes, man. Come on, be nice. Don't throw your cash to the toilet, man. Like this guy, this market is full of gamblers, Jomo. It's insane, you know.
Mainly gamblers, man. Mainly
Gamblers,
gamblers.
like with degenerate gamblers, man. Like I wanna be AA.
A winner. He's gonna say a winner later on.
Runaway patient is key. Okie dokie. I want to be a winner.
I told you. He said actually a winner with an E, which is
Yeah,
funny.
like P. You want to P, you know, and everything.
I like to be a winner.
Chill guy and Ty. Ooh, Ty is getting chill. You want to look on chill guy, Domo? I will look at it.
Yeah, let's look at Chill Guy, man. Look, Chill Guy is a coin I love just because of I love the dog, man. It's a fucking dog meme coin. It's fucking amazing, man. Just the and I think it's hysterical, the meme coin itself. By the way, they stole a piece of art from Bansky. I think it's an art by Bansky, and they stole the art and made a meme coin out of it. And he's like, fuck it, whatever. Anyway, look, Chill Guy had a long, kind of rounding bottom over here. This was a nice accumulation range. Now it broke out. I believe, Chill Guy can continue, but we need to have an entry for it. So we are going to be responsible on our trading. We're not going to ape in, and we're going to wait for, a continuation trade to happen. Maybe this is going to go all the way, up here, for example. Let's say this is going to be the next resistance area. It's going to go sideways, and hopefully it's going to continue and we can make a trade out of it. I'm not going to ape in over here because this can go down again. Anyways, this was a fast TA. Chill Guy CM has what it takes to be, a good meme coin, man. It has converted.
Yeah.
It has like things that people hate it, people love it. It was a stolen art, man. Had a one of the longest, let's call it, accumulation ranges over here. I haven't seen this kind of long accumulation range for a while. So yeah, Chill Guy is kind of nice, man. You keep looking at it, be professional about it. Make sure that you don't just ape in. But if you really want to know when we're going to trade it, you should join the membership or at least join the webinar, man. Only $100 after the discount. What we're giving you 20% off. You should do it for us. I mean, we did it for you guys. We got asked to make this seminar for you guys. So we're just waiting for you now. Limited availability, by the way. So scan the QR code and make sure to, take your seat.
Man, Kaspa pumping already hit 12 cents. Cook the like, guys. Cook the like if you hold Kaspa. If you trade Kaspa, look at the Kaspa chart. Where is this nonsense? You can see, again, broke the neckline. Boom, this is a daily chart. Boom, then my next target is this pivot here. Highs around the 133 and then the 16. If it can take those, it can go bananas into this peak here. You have these 3 peaks here. And if it can take them, man, ooh daddy, we're gonna see some daddy gains on Kaspa. Look at this candle, man. And all the coins are in the red today. A lot of coins are in the red today from my watch list, the bangers watch list. So for me, this shows strength, this shows power, and that's the Kaspa we love, my friend. That's
sure.
the Kaspa.
CM, show the chart. Look, guys, we've been sharing, signals with our community since the 8 cents over here, but this is the last one. You can see this is my name, Jomo Super Performer, from May 9th. I shared to buy the breakout above the 11 cents. This is what we do as a service for our members. We give them the signals because we know that sometimes it's overwhelming for people. They have work, they have a job, they have family, wives, all that shit. They don't have time to find the opportunities, to find the precise entries. That's what we do. That's why CM and I are here. So this is one of the signals we gave on Kaspa. We gave one actually at the 8 cents. We gave one at the, 9.6. CM gave one as well. We gave now at the 11 cents. We do it on a daily basis for all our members. And that's why you just should join and make sure that you don't miss any of the signals we give. Of course, we give that on free every now and then on Kaspa. We do for our audience, just for our audience, over here sometimes. But the rest, we don't give anything. You need to come to the membership because we want to see how serious you are about trading. We only want to help the serious ones, the ones that really want to change their lives and become winners, as CM said. We want to deal with people that want to become winners, man, because we know how much effort it takes to become one.
Man, we don't know this. I don't know this market cipher B indicator. Looks like you're asking a lot of questions about indicators. That means you're probably starting. You know, when I was starting trading, I was looking for a lot of indicators. Total bollocks, man. The less indicators you use, the more you watch price action and patterns and trends, the more you're gonna get better. These indicators gonna make you cooked. They're gonna make you emotional, and most of them are total garbage, man. You know, what do we have here? Guys, what do you think about Quai Network as a Kaspa competitor? Ooh, let's look on Cow Quai Network. Let's look on the competition. Ooh. First of all, wow, nice pump, man. Ooh, nice dildo here on Mexi. Wow, that's a nice 140%. What's the market cap of this nonsense, Jomo?
Well, I can check it just 1 second. I'm checking for the volume because the volume might be low on this.
Probably
Wow.
because it's not on many exchanges.
It's
Probably
like
why.
$188,000 volume on Mexi,
Oh,
man. It's nothing.
it's total garbage, man. Listen,
We can't trade it.
Mr. What is why?
It's 58 million market cap, CM.
Bro, it cannot be a Kaspa competitor with these numbers, man. Even a lady boy with $5 account can move the market. Like, what the F are you talking about? How Kaspa competitor? It's not a Kaspa competitor because there is no big whales in it. There is no big investors in it. So it's not even it's a rubbish. It's rubbish, man. Anyway, thank you, Jomo, for telling us that it is a tiny market cap with high volume, man. Ugh, that's disgusting. Man, if you just market order a 5K position, you move the price 20% up, probably even more, man. This is horrible, man. This is horrible. How people trade. No, this, for example, man, this kind of, this guy, for example, Ruti or Kosti. This guy that is like, whoo, I found the next one. But they don't understand the basic fundamentals, how to really identify if a coin is worth your money or not. This coin is not worth your money. It's not, because even if you're gonna do a 10x on it on a huge bag, then you want to dump your bag on a after it pumped hard. So you dump your big bag and you move the market all the way back on your sell order. No. That's not how you make money, man. That's
It's
how
not.
you
We can't trade it. But if this dude wants to put, $1,000 on it, because some people just put $1,000, good for him, man.
Do you think after Kaspa moves up, it will retest the 200-day in the coming weeks or sooner? We don't know, man.
We don't know, man.
Look, I think Bitcoin will pull back soon. That's what I think. Maybe you're gonna get a big retest. Maybe you're gonna get a deeper retest. Who knows, man? Who knows? Again, this is not tradable. Like our thoughts, it's not tradable. We think for the next moment, the next day, what is setting up for a breakout, how we can take our 10K or 100K and flip it to a double, or 50% or 30% or 10%. How we can take money from the markets consistently. That's how we think. This nonsense is, I don't give an F, man. I really don't give an F about this nonsense. What else do we have here? Seeing that this is my first bull run, I've been investing in Kaspa since 3 cents in 2023. I'm
Good
so
luck.
excited.
Good luck, man. Happy for you.
Good for you, my friend. Just don't forget to take profits.
Yeah.
Don't forget, because you remember the last sell-off took it back all the way. You made a full round trip on your gains. So basically, you invested. Listen, guys. First of all, cook the like, and now I'm gonna show you the harsh truth of crypto investors and what they miss. Okay, this guy invested all his time and effort and money in Kaspa at 3 cents. Yeah, then he rode his bag all the way to August, pretty much. August 2024, it was 20 cents, okay? Kaspa made a huge gain, like 5x, something like 5.5x, 6x, 6x his money. Then he probably didn't took profits because investors never take profits. And then he round trip his Kaspa and his gains, lost all his hairs on the head and on his balls, couldn't fuck his girlfriend because he was so overwhelmed and dazzled from his loss, and it went back from 20. Look at the round, look at the movement, and it's on 2 years of 2 years of your time, 2 years of your life. 3 cents, 20 cents, 5 cents, man. What the F? What the F? Man, learn how to take profit. Again, we have a lot of investors, Kaspa investors in our community, and Kaspa Maxis. That's the beauty. They join, and then they have their Kaspa hodl bag that they not sell because they are in love with tattoos. And they also have a Kaspa trading bag that they trade with us to accumulate more wealth to buy more of the hodl bag. And then later on, once the bear market comes, they're going to ask me or Jomo in private, should I sell now? We're going to tell them, yeah, you should sell, man. It's okay. Sell it. It's okay. It's okay. Let's go. Take your money. You know what I mean? That's what they need. You should join the community, man, because you're an investor that just round-tripped your money. You round-trip 5x. That's a mistake that me and Jomo will never make. Our members will never make. That's a Jomo, these mistakes, people need to go to prison for this mistake.
I know.
Really? Man. They should go to prison, man. These people we should remove their fingers. They shouldn't trade anymore, man. Don't trade. How can you round? Jomo, think about he had 50K in it, went to, how much is it? 350K.
Yeah.
Then it came back all the way to 60K or 70K. Like, seriously, man.
That's bad, man.
Seriously, man. That's your investing. That's your invest. That's oh, I'm in it. Oh,
it's the number one mistake, CM. Look, it's the number one mistake people do. Because look, we know how it is to hold something. Look, probably Larry, you're excited now because it's moving up, but while it was going down, you weren't excited at all. You were having a heart attack. Each week went down from 20 cents to 6 to 5.8. You had a heart attack. That's the problem of a lot of people, man. A lot of people, they do it over and over again. You need to know how to take profits, man, for sure.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Big party after the bull run. Man, Mr. Gloven, you're our lifetime member. You're gonna party also in the bear market. We're partying. We actually prefer bear markets. It's so much fun, man. Anyway, you're gonna make money in the bear as well. Where are you from, guys? I like your style, person. I'm a crypto guy. I came to Earth from my mom is actually Shiba Inu.
CM is a meme, ladies and gents.
I'm a meme coin.
CM is a meme coin.
Hey, good evening, guys. You saved my life from the Moon Boys in the last. Thank you, sir. Happy to help. Tao, let's look on Tao. And drop your coins and we're gonna wrap it up, man. I'm hungry. I need to go have a steak, man.
Man. Let's wrap it up. Let's wrap it up.
Guys, cook the like, subscribe, cook the like. Let's look quickly on Tao. Tell me if there is any other names, Jomo, in the
Modang.
chat. Hey, Mudang? Oh no. Well, that's Tao. Okay, Tao, very beautiful chart. Is now at resistance here. It looks like a strong resistance here. You have strong resistance here, and it's probably the 200. It broke above it. Oh, broke above the 200. That's nice. Well, look, Tao, very nice move. But me, I don't have a bag. I took a bag here, sold it here, had a very beautiful trade, and I passed on it here on that move because it was very, very close to a lot of resistance.
Yeah, but you traded it from the bottom. That was a very good move.
Yeah. Traded it from here, from around the 260. Around the 260, you rode it all the way here, and that was it. Now again, once it's gonna pull back later, probably gonna buy out again if I will not have any other bangers that are looking better. Okay, Mudang. Oh, it continues. Unbelievable.
It's a fucking monster right now. I would love this to go sideways to build like a pennant, man, or a flag, something.
We missed this head and shoulders.
This was a beautiful tradable bottom. Yeah,
I actually watched it. And on the day of the breakout, it was like a choppy day in the market, kinda. and it broke from here. It hit I had an alert here. I was looking at Moodeng. Obviously, I had other bags. Then I was looking down. It was already up 24% from the lows, on the breakout. So I had to pass on it because it was too extended. And, we have responsibility. We have members. I cannot share a trade like this in the community and based on my, euphoria. So anyway, Moodeng, amazing. Again, just like Jomo said, if it's setting up for another trade later, maybe a falling wedge, maybe a bull flag, probably gonna do something like that. We're gonna buy that shit because it has awakened. It has awakened, man. This is insanity, man. Insanity. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. And it's good to see again. We love it. This is the crypto strength. This is the crypto fundamentals we like to see. That shows us that we're in a strong bull run, a strong altcoin run. And this is the money season. And if you don't trade the market, if your bags are not pumping now, guys, that's a shame because this is an opportunity that you need to make money out of it. And it's a waste of opportunity if you don't.
Let's go. Let's go.
From
Let's
the
wrap it up.
Wrap it up?
Yeah, in like a couple of minutes.
Okay, couple of minutes. You say 1, 2 is the borderline, 0, 1. Bro, I think you're a little bit confused, man. Check it. Oh, this is Peter. Man, we broke the neckline. That's what you need to know. We broke the neckline. Now it's on a breakout. It should pump. Relax. Go smoke something. Go drink a beer, man. Relax. Life is good. CG has no clue about the A. He is funny. Yes, exactly. Oh, a call together with OG will be amazing. CG.
With CG,
yeah. I would love to do a live with CG, man. It would be so fun. We have some drinks. Is Pepe still a good trade?
We talked about this. We said we need an entry on Pepe and all of those things. Don't just get in. We talked about it. SV.
Man, join the community, man. Once we get in a good trade setup, low risk, we're gonna buy Pepe. Now, if you're buying Pepe, it's very risky, my friend. Very risky. And no. Join the community. Stop being cheap. Can you count on you? Who are you, man? Myro, please, can it reach $2? Well, man, thank you guys for watching. Cook the like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, cook the bell, subscribe, click the bell notification, like the video, leave a comment on the video if you want us to do some videos, cover some kind of a coin. Leave a comment, follow us on Twitter, and stop being cheap and join the membership because we print money and we're gonna print much more than you can do alone. And then once the market will run, you're gonna be round tripping all your gains back down, just like the dude with Kaspa from 3 cents to 20 and back to 5, while we cashing out our gains, buying Lamborghinis and shorting the F and keep making money. So join us, join our membership, join our webinar. See you in the next video. And remember, no edge,
no trade. Cheers, everybody.